So you know it takes fuel to make your car go. I want to talk with you a little about fuel injectors. The last new car sold with a carburetor in the United States rolled out of the dealership in 1990. Since then, all new vehicles have fuel injectors. In very simple terms, a fuel injector is a valve that squirts fuel into your engine. Your engine control computer tells the fuel injector how much fuel to deliver, as well as the precise time it should be delivered. Of course, this happens thousands of times a minute. Virtually all fuel injectors for gas engines are known as port fuel injectors because they deliver the fuel to a port just outside of the cylinder. The fuel pump provides pressure needed to squirt the right amount of fuel into the engine. A few automakers have introduced gas direct injection systems on some engines recently. These systems inject the gas directly into the cylinders under very high pressure, many times the pressure of port injection systems. Although more complicated, direct injection technology promises greater power with improved fuel economy, so we can expect to see more of that in the future. I think you're beginning to appreciate the level of precision required of your fuel injectors. They need to be operating properly in order for your car to run right. High temperatures under your hood and variations in gas quality cause fuel injectors to be fouled with wax, dirt, water, additives, and carbon. Injectors can become partially clogged, preventing them from delivering the proper amount of fuel at the correct pressure. When injectors are dirty, the fuel doesn't burn as efficiently, resulting in poor fuel economy and loss of power. So it's important to keep your fuel injectors clean. Your service center can perform a fuel system service for you. Note, I said fuel system service, not just fuel injector cleaning. That's because the fuel has a lot of ways to become dirty or contaminated between the gas tank and the fuel injector. A fuel system service starts with a fuel filter replacement. This filter cleans the gas as it leaves the tank. The various parts of the fuel intake system need to be cleaned from time to time to remove harmful gum, deposits, and varnish. Finally, the fuel injectors are cleaned so that they operate properly and deliver the right amount of fuel at the right time. Proper maintenance of your fuel system means that you'll spend less on gas, enjoy strong performance, and prevent costly repairs down the road. Your service consultant can tell you when your manufacturer recommends fuel system service and explain the process your service center uses to keep your fuel injectors operating at their best. I'm Melissa Cannon for AutoNet TV.